Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. South African broadcaster and host for the National Lottery, NLM Doda, has stirred up a lotto controversy on Thursday, the 20th of August 2026, after posting about Friday's 120 million rands jackpot draw and triggering a wave of accusations from followers. The post showed visuals of draw numbers 2673 with lotto numbers 2, 22, 28, 35, 37, 48, and bonus ball 23 displayed on screen alongside messaging about the upcoming prize. What caused fans off guard was the apparent contradiction. Dota seemed to be tweeting the post while simultaneously appearing on the TV screen in the footage. For many, that raised immediate red flags about whether the draws are pre-recorded rather than broadcast live. The picture was posted for the live Wednesday and Saturday draws airing on ETV, SABC1, and SABC2 under operator Sizekaya, a gig that has already attracted public scrutiny given existing skepticism around lottery transparency in South Africa. When the backlash erupted under her post, Ndora was quick to address it directly. This was someone who recorded me when I was on TV. Please don't lie, she wrote, shutting down the theory that the image proved anything about broadcasts being staged. The explanation did little to calm the crowd down. Ed Nubian was amongst the first to raise the alarm, writing, "So this is pre-recorded because you're tweeting from one watching yourself. That scam is wild, wild, wild." Well, you guys, not everyone was convinced the outrage was warranted, though. Ed O.B. James pointed out a factual inconsistency in the complaint. He said, "But guys, these are not even Powerballs. She's talking about 120 million rands Powerball on Friday. What's the fuss? Maybe if the numbers were Powerball, I'd understand, but these are Lotto numbers. Can we just think a little bit, please?"